this, we design it on a computer. So the 3D printing process goes as follows. We start with a digital 3D model on your computer. This model then gets sent to the 3D printer, and it will print it from bottom to top, layer by layer, without any temporary supports or formwork until the object is complete. So because of the additive manufacturing nature of this technique, we use less material. We place material only where we need it, layer by layer, thereby not realizing massive solid structures, but really thin, hollow objects that only have the concrete structurally where we need it, and no concrete where we don't need it. So overall, the building will use much less material and therefore be much more sustainable. So on one hand, it allows completely different objects to be made. So objects that architects design that cannot be manufactured with traditional techniques are now suddenly possible. On the other hand, this also brings the construction industry closer to the end user, because they can join in on the design process and customize objects instead of making houses and buildings that are all the same. Now the goal is to first print one house next year, and from that first project we will learn a lot, and we will use that and the lessons that we learned in that project in the next houses. So over the following years we'll be realizing a number of houses that will increase in complexity, but will also increase in the innovation that we apply into the design and manufacturing process. This project is different from other 3D printing projects that we see worldwide, because these houses will actually be occupied. So they have to comply and have to fulfill all the regular building standards in terms of quality, safety, comfort, and so on. And in that sense, it's really unique worldwide.